Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to fix USB tethering not working problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on phone setting, scroll down, on developer option, scroll down, tap on default USB configuration and select USB tethering. Tap on general management, scroll down, tap on reset, click on reset accessibility setting and tap on reset setting. Now go to settings, tap on connection, tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. USB tethering connected, problem solved. Thanks for watching.